So hey, what's up guys? I go by the name Soji Gray and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that anytime I release a new video, you're going to be updated instantly. So I know a ton of you guys don't know this, but I own a small e-commerce platform on Instagram where I sell devices and tech accessories and smartphones and laptops and all of that. And it's called the Device Hub e-commerce store. And I've been doing this for about 4 to 5 years on the low, and I think if you want to start an online business, I think this video is very important for you because I've experienced a lot of things that I want to share when it comes to branding. I do believe that the way you brand your page on Instagram if you're doing a business is very important. Number one, for validity, because I mean this is an online platform. You don't have a physical store people are going to come to, so they need to actually trust that what they are buying is legit, number one, and what they're buying is going to be delivered to them and they wouldn't have any issues at all. So I think one of the ways you can do that is by branding your page very well, so that once people see it, they are very rest assured that this is a legit business that they can actually transact with. So one of the ways I've been able to brand a Device Hub to that level of validity and giving my clients assurance is the way I design my posts. Basically, like when you go to the page, you see that this page is a structured page, and the tools with which I use in designing these posts is Canva. Canva is an app I've been using for a very long time, and I'm a very vocal evangelist about the app. The fact that you have a web platform to edit stuff and then you can just take your phone and have the same thing on your phone is just amazing. And this is for free. You don't have to pay for anything. Even though they have a paid version, the free version can do a ton of things. So in this video, I'll just be sharing with you a very small tech tip where I design one of my favorite posts that I've seen that can based on the analytics on my page, I've seen that is really converting clients for me. Some of them save these posts so that they come back to it and all that. And it's what's it called? It's a video post that has some text overlays on it. I'm gonna just put one here so that you can have a look at it. And why is a post like this very important? There's a video that it's kind of like a TVC that has been created by the brand. So if it's Apple or Beats or Samsung, they've already created this video. I'm just going to take that video, put it in a 1:1 format and put a text overlay on it. So with a video, one of the advantages of that is that the video highlights all the key USPs of that particular product. So if it's a headphone, it talks about how amazing it is, how the sound quality is, how comfortable it is. And for this sample edit, I'm going to be using the Powerbeats Pro TVC by Beats and Apple to show you guys how amazing Canva is. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start by creating a new design. So I'm going to click create a design at the top right of the Canva web page, and then once I click it, you have different suggestions. I'm going to click Instagram post, since it gives us a 1:1 format. So you have 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels, which is a perfect square. And then we're going to add another thing. So on the left side of the platform or of the web interface, we have all these options we can choose. I'm going to go to Element, and what I'm looking for is like a cutout. It's called frame. So if you go to the frame section and you click see all, you'd see this rounded square placeholder. We're going to click that and we're going to have it in the space we are editing in. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to smash the like button. It really helps the algorithm, it really helps the channel. And if you're watching this on Instagram, make sure to hit the like button and let me know what you think so far. Okay, so I'm going to center this. The very nice thing about Canva is that it can snap. So when you're doing something, it just snaps, so you can know that, well, you are very much in the middle, so you're very sure about what you're doing. So now I have the placeholder here. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to upload the video to Canva. So to upload, you click the upload sign, click device, and I'm going to go to the desktop. I have the video there. It's a 1 minute video, thankfully, which is good because Instagram allows videos of 60 seconds or 1 minute. So I can show people a lot of things about this video. And then I'm going to put the pricing and the name of the item. Maybe just add my telephone number. And once I put it on my page, people can watch that video, people can see the name of the device, see the price, and then there'll be a call to action where they can call me. So simple. And this is just what you can do on the post. I like to do a lot of things right in the post, because in the comments or in the caption where you can edit text and all that, you don't have a lot of people reading the text when they see a post on Instagram. So if you can convert as much as possible with the post without the caption, do it, because you know how social media is. People have very limited retention when it comes to posts. So just convert as fast as you can. And this thing is uploading, is delaying a bit. I guess my internet is that bad. But it's going to just save up, which is going to be done very soon. And once it's done, we're just going to click it and drag it to the placeholder. So as you can see, if we drag it now, okay, let me just try and drag it. Okay, so I'm going to just click it so that it comes to the placeholder. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just do this. And as you can see, this thing has actually taken the form of the placeholder. So I'm going to just play the video, and you'd see that it's playing the TVC. We can see the very nice Beats by Dre Power Beats Pro, and then we have that very nice centered effect here, which is very nice because you can see that, well, this is the product I'm getting and these are the athletes that are using them. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some text. So the first text I want to add is add a heading, and I'm going to drag it right here. I'm going to change the color to white, and I'm going to call it Power Beats Pro. Right, and then I can just make it small. Maybe I want the Pro to come down. I'm gonna adjust the spacing. I think this works. Yeah, this looks good already. So I'm gonna just drag it here, and then I'm gonna put the pricing right below it. So I can click this and copy and paste. So Command C and Command V is copy and paste. And I mean, to copy you do Command C if you're on the Mac. If you're on Windows, I think it's Control C, and to paste on Windows is Control V, whilst on Mac is Command V. So that's that. And this is, say, 1,300 Ghana cedis. Since I'm in Ghana, I'll just say Ghana cedis. And then I want to differentiate between the name of the item and then the pricing. So I'm just going to insert another element. It's called rectangle. We're going to search for it. Rectangle. What am I even writing? Rectangle. Sorry. Okay, I have shapes here. I'm just gonna go to shapes because I'm gonna find it there anyways. And what the kind of shape I'm looking for is a rounded kind of rectangle. So it has rounded sides that I can adjust. So as you can see, I'm just adjusting the size a bit to fit what I'm doing. Just make it small a bit, and then I can stretch the sides, and then what I'll just do is probably center the pricing. So I have it here, Power Beats Pro, and I have the pricing, and then I have this, and this is very, like, you can change the color if you want to. You can change the color. I think the blue or the purplish blue works, so we're just gonna leave it as that. And what we're gonna do is maybe put my number somewhere at the bottom, because luckily we have a black bar with this video. So I'm gonna put a telephone number here, 0247133229. Stretch it. Maybe I just want to change the font a bit to add some level of differentiation. Yeah, I think this works. And then I'm gonna move it to this. Let me see. No, let me just leave it here, and maybe let me say call or WhatsApp, so that people know it's actually not like a serial number or something. It's a number, it's a telephone number they can actually call. And I'm gonna do it this way. Make it a little bit small, right? Because I'm gonna edit the contact details in the description anyways, but this is something they can see. So now let's just have a look at the main thing, and as you can see, we have this. We have the video, we have the pricing, we have the item, we have the call to action right here. So this is one of the ways I use Canva to convert more clients and to sell to a lot of people, because now you don't see the item itself only, you can see that people are wearing them, using it. So I mean, if I'm a consumer who wants, like, if I'm an athlete and I want an earphone to buy, I know that, oh wow, there's a lot of movement here, but this thing still stays fit in the ear. It's something I want to get. Oh, I've seen the person's number, I call, I'm like, hey, I want to buy it. Do you do delivery? And they'll be like, yeah, we do delivery, and it gets delivered to me. So it's so simple, and this is just one of the things Canva can do. You can do carousels in Canva, and maybe in another video, in my next video, I'm going to talk about how to create carousels in Canva. And if you do want to see that video, just let me know in the comment section below. And this is just it. I go by the name Soji Gray. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well, so that anytime I release a new video, you're going to be updated. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.